Kalimera! Hei, asumma! Kalimera! This is our boat for the week. Hey, that's my cousin. And we've all got our stuff here, ready to get on the boat. That's our big food shop. This is our boat. This is mine and Atcha's room. Cute. Talia, hello.
Hi. How's it going?
Good. Caprice. These are the best chocolate bars ever. That's Johnny and Thalia's room. My dad's room is down here. Hey, hey, hey. Hello. We are about to head off from Santorini. Where to?
The world is our oyster.
The Aegean Sea is our oyster. Atch is helping out, doing the rope. This is fantastic. Go on, Atch. Hey. Right, Dad. Go, Thanasi, let's go. Yeah.
Next stop, nowhere.
Next stop, nowhere. That was smooth. I thought it was going to be way worse than that.
Pretty good for my first time, huh?
Really good. Smooth sailing. Hey, hey, hey. Our first stop. Would you call it a volcano?
This is volcanic sun. Colder than yesterday.
Are we doing the same? Gonna have to, aren't we? Right, let's see if this mask works. Wow, how pretty do I look?
Yeah.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
It's so cool! It's beautiful! Nice work, everyone. Next stop, Waikiki. Let's go. So many party boats around, but this is the true party boat. That's what I say. We've stopped in Kameni and it's all volcanic rock.
Look at that.
Whoa. Yeah. Really cute couple over there having a sit-down dinner on the boat. They've dressed up for it. I think it's like a charter boat where they cook for you and they've set the table. It was so beautiful. I just waved at them but they didn't see me. Because it's totally acceptable to wave at people on boats. Always.
So we are going to a really remote restaurant up there. This guy here in the small boat, he's basically the front of house guy. Pretty special. She's a little bit seasick, and by that she means very seasick. We have patches.
Both of us behind our ears. I don't know if it's a myth. Boat is parked over there and my cousin is just my cousin the captain. This is a local taverna. Everyone's up here. We're going to be going up that mountain, that trail up there behind John, and eating up there. Can't believe the size of this cute little kitten. It's a cat eating a fish. Amazing. Gyros pita souvlaki at Nick the Greek. Actually, Thalia, does it look good?
Yes, looks amazing.
Actually, anything good?
The caramel is crying out to me, and so is the cheese, and so is the pistachio.
Oh wow, we're walking past some beautiful places. So cute. We're sleeping here tonight because the water's really still. Now we're walking up this massive hill to catch the sunset. We've got like 20 minutes to get all the way up. My brother's just gone barefoot, like the true traveller, and we're just sort of plodding on behind him. It's gonna be really cold at the top. The views are gonna be amazing up here, I can tell. Wow, not even halfway up yet. Right, let's keep going. Yeah, made it to the top. That was quite a hike. Dad struggled, bless him. Don't know if you can see that view, but it's insane. So insane. We're the only people here at this taverna. The boys are trying some traditional beer. What beer are you on, boys? Fix.
Get your fix.
Get your fix. I'm gonna have to try a tiny bit. They've frozen the glass. It becomes ice cream. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Dad.
Cheers. Love you.
Cheers. Cheers, Thanasi. Cheers, Thalia. I'd love to try some wine. Thanks. Oh wow, dark rosé.
Tastes like.
Thank you. Yeah, try it. It's really nice. It tastes like Commandaria. Tastes like the church wine. Get you to church.
This is not chemical.
Get you to church. So that's Santorini there.
There's Santorini. So we arrived here into the port today, and now we're over here. at the top of this mountain here.
Wow, that's cool. Where
And
to
then
tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think we are going to go to here.
Eos. Amazing. We're now taking the dinghy boat.
It's like in Venice.
Like in Venice. Back to our boat. This is such an adventure. Dad's over there waiting for THIRASIA to come back and do another journey. Yeah, this is an experience. This is fantastic. My dad is singing on the dinghy. We're all waiting to go to bed. This is fantastic. Come on, guys. Good morning from KOUFONISI. We've just come to another island. It was a 4-hour ride against the waves and against the wind, and it was pretty...
Literally a ride.
It was literally a ride. I didn't know if I'd survive. I'm going to insert some footage I got on my phone. God. This is the bit they don't show you about sailing. It's the bit where the boat's actually moving. Dad said it was like being on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of It. It really was. I didn't think we'd make it. We're now here exploring this island, and I think we're going to spend the night here because it is so beautiful. The sand looks really, really white. I think this is the whitest sand we've seen so far. Atch, well done on us for making it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Johnny, Thalia, how are you feeling?
Fantastic, we were on top the whole time.
Yeah.
You guys just in the rooms.
Getting so. What's he found? Mussels. Yeah. Hi there, Dad. Come on, we want to go to the beach now. Let's go swimming. Yeah, same. We're definitely going to go and explore that later, aren't we, actually?
Any opportunity, any second that we are not on that boat, yeah, going 100 metres in the air and then smashing down, me and you like in the back, like holding on for dear life, feeling sick. It's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
I don't understand how the
pirates do it.
Do it back in the day.
My cousin's basically a pirate, isn't he?
The guy was born to be at sea.
Absolutely. His t-shirt today says "Home is where the water is," which is fantastic.
It's true.
Okay, let's check out this place.
First go with Betty.
From
Local salt. Oh, very nice. Nice one, Achillea.
Yeah,
Enough to?
What we just tried.
Fish egg. Fuck you, Dad. I don't like that. I'm with the Ice Cream Presidente. We're going in to have a look for ice cream, obviously, to see what they've got. But hey.
Very nice, it's caramel.
Banana.
The budding photographer has seen a fantastic photo opportunity. Fun fact, Achilea's middle name is James.
You know who this is on my back?
No.
LeBron James.
Oh, the whole time you had it, I just thought it was you telling everyone your middle name. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find out in the comments who LeBron James is. It rings a bell, but I don't really know many sports players. So we come up to the Hora, the town, the village, the Horia, see what's going on. This is gorgeous. Right,
Amazing.
should we go? Should we go and have a little explore? Yeah, let's go up here. Book exchange. What? Leave one and get one?
Yeah.
That's cool. It didn't have the boat, maybe we'd be staying in these studios. They look absolutely lovely. They look great.
There's a hotel over there.
Oh yeah.
Just so remote.
I know. This is definitely one of those places that we would never come to if we didn't have the boat.
No, not at all.
Like how it, wow, look at that view. So beautiful. All blue bed and view. Pretty amazing view. So nice. We've just come across this cute tiny church. So beautiful. Let's go and have a look, actually.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be covered up enough to go in. It's just a bit disrespectful. It looks really sweet. I just love all the blue and white. Like even all the blue and white, like even the chairs, little decoration, the windows. So nice. Oh my gosh. You're so small and so cute. We haven't got any food for you, I'm afraid. Look how tiny you are. You're the size of my hand. My hand is bigger than this kitten. Hello. I know. Finished walking down that long road with all the hotels and stuff. Come across this practically secluded beach. Just one person in the sea. Obviously all my family are up there, so we can't just go swimming here because we've been gone for too long, but so pretty. We went for a swim and it was delightful. We did that thing where you run in and you don't stop, because if you stop you won't fully submerge. We're very much enjoying it. And there's no outro, I'm afraid. This is the outro. There's so much footage from this holiday that I have to split it up into more content, more uploads. So please stay tuned if you're enjoying them so far. I will see you in the comment section. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.